The critical need for a second opinion in hormone-related diagnoses. When faced with a hormone-related diagnosis, seeking a second opinion isn't just an option. It's crucial. And not just any second opinion. You need a doctor who truly understands the complex interplay of hormones in the body. Unfortunately, many patients face an uphill battle with conventional medical practitioners who might dismiss their symptoms or refuse to order comprehensive hormone testing. It's a common and frustrating scenario. You visit your doctor describing symptoms like unexplained weight gain, fatigue, mood changes, or irregular cycles. Instead of investigating potential hormone imbalances, you're told it's just aging, all in your head, or normal for your age. Even worse, you might be prescribed antidepressants or told to eat less and exercise more without any proper hormone evaluation. This is where finding a hormone-literate doctor becomes crucial. These specialists understand that hormones form an intricate web of chemical messengers affecting virtually every function in our body, from metabolism and mood to growth and reproduction. They know that standard blood tests often miss subtle hormone imbalances, and normal ranges can vary significantly between laboratories and practitioners. A knowledgeable hormone specialist will listen to your symptoms seriously and validate your concerns. Order comprehensive hormone panels, not just basic thyroid tests. Test all basic hormones that affect your hormone levels such as estradiol, estriol, progesterone, DHEA, pregnenolone, testosterone, cortisol, T3, T4, TSH. Look at the whole picture, including adrenal function and sex hormones. Understand the relationship between different hormones. Consider lifestyle factors, stress, and environmental influences. Be willing to prescribe bioidentical hormones when appropriate. Monitor your progress and adjust treatment based on your response. Remember, there's a significant difference between a doctor who occasionally deals with hormone issues and one who specializes in hormonal health. The right specialist will understand that hormone replacement or treatment isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. They recognize that while two people might have seemingly identical thyroid numbers, they could require completely different treatment approaches based on their overall hormone cascade, lifestyle, and other health factors. The stakes are particularly high because hormone treatments, while potentially life-changing when correctly prescribed, can create new imbalances if inappropriately administered. This is why working with a truly knowledgeable hormone specialist can make the difference between years of suffering and actual healing. Often, patients who have been dismissed by multiple doctors finally find relief when they connect with a hormone specialist who takes their symptoms seriously. These doctors understand that your body's hormone system is too complex and too important to rely on outdated approaches or partial solutions. If you're struggling with potential hormone-related symptoms, don't accept dismissal or oversimplified solutions. Seek out a qualified hormone specialist who will take the time to investigate your symptoms thoroughly and work with you to find real solutions. Your health and quality of life are worth the effort of finding the right medical professional who understands the intricate dance of hormones in your body.